I've heard a few stories like this where people have kind of come in through arts or history or anything, but mine was properly, I've always been a data nerd from when I was really young. My granddad taught me like maths when I was 5. We came from quite like an analytical family, but I was also really into history and like philosophy and finding out like why things had happened. In my final year at university, I did a course called Algorithmic Complexity. So it kind of taught me how to like speak to computers and get them to do what I wanted and figure out whether it was going to take them a long time to do what I wanted or not, like in a mathematical sense. That's probably where my kind of coding elements started. And then my first job was at IBM in their big data and analytics department as a consultant. And that was good to learn a lot of the acronyms and technical like jargon for all of the different like data and digital elements. And then I joined M&S 7 months ago, and I've been working on kind of customer data projects since then. If I'm doing a coding day, then I'll be doing something like analysing a data set, maybe trying to figure out what our high value customers look like and what their properties are compared to low value customers. Because there's also a lot of speaking to people as well as speaking to computers. I'll be doing things like gathering requirements, like what does this output really need to do or show, or how quickly does it need to run? I think that the challenges and opportunities, especially in my team, are quite linked with that everything is very new. The business are really excited for data science, and so there's loads of focus on it from high up in the business. So one really good example is the Data Festival that we had a couple of months ago, where we had an animated robot figurine of our Chief Digital and Data Officer, data-themed cocktails, and more importantly also a big data conference and a bunch of sharing sessions. And everybody's like really just excited and keen to see the outputs and to learn from each other. We can kind of forge our own path and come up with something totally new.